Hi everyone, this is Jen Chen from LEDSOLUTION. We are right now in InfoComm 2026 Las Vegas. Now I'm introducing our LED floor display. Right now it is a part for our demo for a flight simulation system. It's configured by different size and you can have a different design. This product we produce a lot for museum and stage. You can also design the LED floor to be a creative shape. For example, in this picture you can see it is a LED, that's a circle. You can also have other creative ideas, and we do customize the size. For more information about this LED floor, please visit our website www.iledsolution.com. Thank you very much.